Massive progress is continuing all around the stadium, and every new visit makes the project look more complete than ever. From the rapid installation of decorative llamas on the lateral side, to major developments around the Gol Sud and Gol Nord areas, construction activity is now visible in almost every section. The VIP ring, compression ring, and multiple interior zones are all moving forward at the same time as the stadium slowly takes its final shape. So today, we'll take a full tour around the stadium and see all the latest updates. Let's get started. We begin today's tour on the lateral side of the stadium, where the decorative ceramic llamas continue expanding rapidly. Areas that previously had exposed pillars are now being covered with new llama installations, giving the facade a much cleaner and more finished appearance. With every new section completed, the stadium is starting to show its final architectural identity, and the overall structure now looks far more impressive from the outside. Work on the VIP ring is also moving forward at a very good pace. Inside the access cores, workers have already started installing support structures that will later hold the LED llamas around the facade. The compression ring continues advancing faster every week. Today, another new flange segment was installed, adding more structural continuity to the upper ring of the stadium. From this area, the view stretching from Gol Sud all the way to Gol Nord clearly shows how quickly the entire structure is evolving at the same time. Now arriving at the Gol Sud area, activity here remains extremely intense. Workers have started installing new structural elements that will support the decorative llamas in this section of the stadium. Large parts of the facade support system are now becoming visible, and little by little the exterior design is beginning to take shape around this corner. Near the future FC Barcelona store, there is now noticeably more movement inside the stadium interiors. Several crews can be seen actively working in different interior zones, showing that progress is not only focused on the exterior structure anymore. Interior construction is clearly entering a more advanced phase as multiple finishing tasks continue simultaneously. In the Tribuna section, workers are beginning to organize and prepare several core areas. New protective elements and structural components are also being installed to improve the interior circulation zones. At the upper levels, more workers can be seen painting unfinished steel structures, while additional crews continue working on the first floor. Some core sections appear temporarily paused, but overall progress across the area remains steady. At the corner connecting Tribuna and Gol Nord, more structures are now being added for the future elevator and escalator cores. Although some sections currently show less activity, the installation of new supports for decorative llamas continues expanding across the facade. From this angle, we can also clearly see the future Barça Store and the future club cafeteria area, where workers are actively moving construction materials and wooden panels. The Gol Nord side also shows major progress. New structural supports for additional decorative llamas are now being installed across multiple sections of the facade. There is constant movement in this area as crews continue preparing more zones for future llama installation, helping the exterior design grow rapidly around the stadium. One of the most impressive views today comes from the corner between Gol Nord and the lateral side. The decorative llamas around the VIP ring now look far more complete and visually striking from this perspective. Several nearby cores already appear almost fully finished, while workers continue advancing quickly throughout the surrounding sections. The stadium is now reaching a stage where many areas already look close to their final appearance. To finish today's update, the overall perspective of the stadium together with the new decorative llamas gives us another clear look at just how fast this project is moving forward. Every week, more sections become complete, more structural details appear, and the future image of the stadium becomes easier to imagine. If you want more stadium updates, Barca news, and future transfer stories, this is the perfect channel for you. So make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and activate the notification bell so you never miss any new videos.